In this course, I am providing you with all the materials that will help you learn, practice, and prepare for interviews. Let me explain how you will get them. First is theoretical materials. Each concept will have well prepared notes that explain the topic in simple terms. These notes will help you quickly review topics whenever you need it. Next is Git repositories. All the programs we write in class will be uploaded to the GitHub. No worries about that. You can download them, run them on your system, and practice coding. This will make learn more effective. Next thing is detailed program explanations. Every program will have explanations written inside the code. This way, when you revisit a program later, you will understand why each line was written. These explanations will help you gain a deeper understanding when you have the doubts. Next is every line of code is properly commented for the clarity. Each line of code will have proper comments explaining its purpose. So this will make it easier for you to follow along even after watching the video. It ensures that you can understand the logic behind every part of the program. Next thing is very important, that is interview questions and answers. One of the biggest challenges for students is cracking interviews. That's why I am providing a real-time interview questions collected from the top 50 MNCs. These will help you prepare thoroughly and confidently attend the job interviews. I'm confident that if you follow my interview questions and answers, you will definitely get a job. Next is live doubt solving sessions. If you get stuck anywhere, don't worry. We will have dedicated doubt solving sessions where I will personally clarify all your questions. Here, there is no compromise. I want every student to understand the concept, whether that is a small topic or an advanced one. Next is assignments and practice tasks. Keep in mind, learning is not just about watching videos. It's about practicing. I will provide assignments and small coding tasks after each topic to make sure you understand the concepts practically. Next is mock interviews and resume building. Once you finish the course, we will conduct mock interviews to prepare you for real job interviews. This way, when you attend actual interviews, you won't feel nervous. I will also guide you in resume preparation, helping you highlight your skills effectively. Next is job assistance and career guidance. I don't just want you to complete this course, I want you to get a job. That is the main intention of this course. Once you complete the training, I will guide you step by step on how to apply for jobs, prepare effectively and confidently crack the interviews. Additionally, I will provide insights into the latest industry trends, expected salary ranges, and the best companies to apply to. You will also receive guidance on upskilling and choosing the right career path based on your interests. So, you are not just learning a C# here, you are getting a complete package like videos, notes, real world coding experience, interview preparation, and career guidance. If you follow the process, practice well, and stay constant, you will definitely succeed in the IT industry.